Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send an email to undisclosed recipients from Gmail. First, open Gmail and click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. In the To field, type undisclosed recipients, followed by your own email address in angle brackets. Next, click the BCC option on the right. This is where you'll enter all the email addresses of the people you want to send your email to. Using BCC keeps everyone's email addresses private. Now add a clear subject line and type your message in the body. Make sure your message is concise and easy to understand. Finally, double check everything and click send. Your email will now go out to all recipients without revealing their addresses, and that's it. This method is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or any emails where privacy is important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.